Hey there, savvy money makers. Ever wondered how you could turn your spare time into extra cash? Well, you're in luck because today, I'm going to share with you the top 2024 best money-making apps that can help you earn money effortlessly. First up, Swagbucks. If you haven't heard of Swagbucks, you're in for a treat. This app is a veteran in the money-making space and offers a variety of ways to earn. You can take surveys, watch videos, shop online, and even play games. Every task you complete earns you Swagbucks or SB points, which you can redeem for gift cards or cash through PayPal. One of the best things about Swagbucks is its flexibility. You can earn while commuting, during your lunch break, or while watching TV. Plus, they often have special promotions and bonuses that can boost your earnings. It's a great way to make use of your downtime and earn some extra cash. Next on our list is Survey Junkie. If you enjoy sharing your opinions and helping brands improve their products, Survey Junkie is the app for you. It's straightforward. You complete surveys and get paid. The surveys are usually about everyday products and services, so they're pretty interesting and relevant. Signing up is easy and you can start taking surveys immediately. The best part? You can cash out once you hit $10, which doesn't take long if you're consistent. Survey Junkie pays via PayPal or e-gift cards, making it convenient for everyone. It's a reliable and easy way to earn money in your spare time. Now let's talk about Free Cash. This app has been gaining popularity for its fast payouts and a wide range of earning opportunities. You can earn by completing tasks, taking surveys, and even trying out apps and games. What sets Free Cash apart is its low payout threshold. You can cash out as little as $1. Free Cash also has a daily leaderboard where top earners get bonus cash. It's an engaging way to make some extra money, especially if you enjoy a bit of friendly competition. Payments are made via PayPal, Bitcoin, or gift cards, giving you flexibility in how you receive your earnings. If you're into user experience and have an eye for detail, Userlytics might be the perfect app for you. This app pays you to test websites and apps, providing valuable feedback to developers. It's a simple process. You sign up, complete a sample test, and then start receiving assignments. Each test typically takes 20 to 30 minutes and pays anywhere from $10 to $20 depending on the complexity. You'll need to provide detailed feedback and sometimes record your screen and voice while navigating the website or app. It's a fantastic way to earn money if you enjoy testing new technology and sharing your thoughts. For those who love being out and about, SmartSpotter is a great option. This app pays you to complete tasks in stores, like checking product displays or prices. It's a bit like being a mystery shopper, but with more variety and flexibility. Tasks are usually quick and easy and you can fit them into your regular shopping trips. Payments are made directly to your bank account or via PayPal. SmartSpotter is a fun and active way to make extra cash, especially if you enjoy exploring different stores and keeping an eye on retail trends. Are you a creative person with a knack for designing? Then Redbubble is the perfect platform for you. Redbubble allows you to upload your designs and sell them on a variety of products, from t-shirts and hoodies to phone cases and stickers. The best part? You don't need any inventory. Redbubble handles the printing, shipping, and customer service for you. You earn a commission on every sale, and the more designs you upload, the more opportunities you have to make money. It's a fantastic way to monetize your creativity and reach a global audience without the hassle of managing a traditional online store. If you have a closet full of clothes you no longer wear, Poshmark is the app for you. This app allows you to sell new or gently used clothing, shoes, and accessories. It's super easy to list items. Just snap a few photos, write a description, and set your price. Poshmark also has a social aspect where you can follow other sellers, share listings, and participate in virtual Posh parties to promote your items. Payments are processed through the app and you can request a direct deposit or a check. It's a great way to declutter your closet and make some extra cash. Rocket Money is an app designed to help you manage your finances and save money. While it's not a traditional money-making app, it can help you keep more of what you earn. Rocket Money automatically analyzes your subscriptions, bills, and spending habits, helping you find ways to save. One of the standout features is the ability to negotiate lower bills on your behalf. They take a small cut of the savings, so you only pay if you save. Additionally, Rocket Money helps you cancel unwanted subscriptions and track your spending, making it easier to stay on budget and save money. If you're interested in investing and growing your wealth, M1 Finance is an excellent app to consider. M1 Finance combines the best of robo-advisors and traditional brokerage accounts, allowing you to invest in custom portfolios with no management fees. You can choose from pre-built portfolios or create your own based on your financial goals. M1 Finance also offers fractional shares, making it easy to invest in expensive stocks without needing a large sum of money. It's a user-friendly platform that makes investing accessible and straightforward, helping you build wealth over time. Ibotta is a cashback app that rewards you for shopping at your favorite stores. Whether you're buying groceries, clothing, or even booking travel, Ibotta offers cashback on a wide range of purchases. All you need to do is upload your receipts or link your loyalty cards to earn cash back. Ibotta partners with hundreds of retailers, making it easy to earn cash back on everyday purchases. Once you reach $20 in earnings, you can withdraw your cash via PayPal, Venmo, or gift cards. It's a simple and effective way to save money on the things you already buy. Shopkick is another fun and rewarding app that pays you for shopping. You can earn kicks, points, by walking into stores, scanning barcodes of specific products, making purchases, and even watching videos. It's a bit like a scavenger hunt, making shopping more interactive and enjoyable. Once you accumulate enough kicks, you can redeem them for gift cards to popular retailers like Amazon, Target, and Starbucks. Shopkick is perfect for those who enjoy shopping and want to earn rewards without spending extra money. If you're interested in the legal system and want to earn money from home, eJury is a unique opportunity. eJury allows you to participate in mock trials and provide feedback to attorneys preparing for real cases. Your input helps them refine their arguments and strategies. Each case typically pays $5 to $10 and takes about 30 minutes to complete. It's a fascinating way to learn more about the legal process while earning some extra cash. If you enjoy thinking critically and analyzing information, eJury could be a great fit for you. Finally, we have a bonus app for you, Slice the Pie. This app pays you to review music, clothing, and other products. It's a simple process. You listen to a song or review a product, provide your feedback, and earn money. The more detailed and constructive your reviews, the more you can earn. Slice the Pie is perfect for music lovers and fashion enthusiasts who enjoy sharing their opinions. It's a fun and easy way to make money in your spare time. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe, like, and share the video, for this helps with YouTube algorithm.